Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you grow your blog and website. Today, we are going to talk about how to get approved for AdSense, the most popular advertising network for bloggers and website owners. In this video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about getting approved for AdSense, from understanding the approval criteria to troubleshooting common issues. So, let's get started. The ultimate guide to getting approved for AdSense. First things first, let's talk about what AdSense is and why it's important. AdSense is an advertising network that allows website owners to earn money by displaying ads on their site. For bloggers and website owners, AdSense is a key source of revenue and a way to monetize their content. However, getting approved for AdSense can be a challenge, which is why we've put together this ultimate guide to help you get approved. Understanding AdSense approval criteria. The first step to getting approved for AdSense is to understand the approval criteria. Google has strict guidelines for AdSense approval, and failing to meet these guidelines can result in rejection. Some common reasons for rejection include low-quality content, inappropriate content, and insufficient traffic. To avoid rejection, it's important to create high-quality content that meets AdSense guidelines, optimize your site's design and user experience. Preparing your blog for AdSense approval. Once you've optimized your site for AdSense, the next step is to apply for approval. In this section, we'll walk you through the AdSense application process and provide tips for filling out the application and providing accurate information. We'll also discuss what to expect after submitting your application. Troubleshooting AdSense approval issues. If your AdSense application is rejected, don't worry. In this section, we'll cover common reasons for rejection and provide strategies for improving your site and reapplying for AdSense. We'll also discuss how to handle AdSense account suspensions and appeals. Advanced AdSense tips and strategies. Once you've been approved for AdSense, the next step is to maximize your earnings. In this section, we'll provide advanced tips and strategies for optimizing your AdSense ads and targeting your audience. We'll also discuss alternative ad networks and monetization strategies. Conclusion. That's it for our ultimate guide to getting approved for AdSense. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, getting approved for AdSense takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and best practices, you can monetize your blog and website with AdSense. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.